Gold prices ripping it to the upside despite the current macro regime of the inflation trade, which is supposed to keep gold capped. But we are breaking out to the north. We've had obviously this heavy defending of this psychological 4,000 area where the prices bounce. And, arguably we got a potential double bottom here, 1, 2, the neckline being drawn into neckline area, which would be 4.2K, 4,200. And obviously, we've had this long running sort of descending trend line that's been sort of capping price, the structure, obviously the lower highs, the lower lows clean. But have we potentially got a double bottom here? Why is gold running to the upside anyway? It's very possible, like the macro theses that would be supporting this would be the stagflation regime, which I haven't, and I don't think we've got enough data to confirm that yet. But we'd really need to see a slowdown in the United States in terms of data, jobs, growth, so on and so forth. But then higher prices in that sort of stagflation regime, gold can be obviously bought as a hedge against that regime. But I still feel like we need to see more data. The way that I become a gold bull, should I say, and we could get to the time where gold's rising as well. But the way I'd become a gold bull is if we have to clear this big chunky area, 4.2 towards 4.3. If we clear that, then we go clear. Otherwise, we risk coming up to here in rejection and in fact this whole move being a fake out of the structure. So keep an eye on that upside pressure at the moment. As I said, I don't think we'll get that decisive move either above or rejection, this key area, until the FOMC. It's possible that we drift up there because obviously, as I say, the macro regime currently is weighed upon this. Oil is rising, yields are rising, but this is drifting in its own lane for the time being. And I think the only logical thing for me right now, so you need to conduct a little bit more analysis, would be the fact that it's a bit of a technical move, but then also markets potentially thinking about a stagflation regime. But I don't think markets are thinking like that right now. But let's see. I have some other theses which I'm going to be conducting via the KenMacro desk, just putting some scenarios together. Got a playbook anyway for gold, just as we head into and on the back of the FOMC decision. Guys, to level up your whole macro trading, your whole trading game, I've made macroeconomics simple to just integrate into your technical analysis, your technical trading, however you trade technically. Variety of resources. Click the link below and I'll catch you next update.